Solve these three integrals. Solve integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x. So first we shall simplify x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root of x. So that is, divide the each term in the numerator by the denominator. So what we get, x cube divided by root x plus 3x divided by root x plus 4 divided by root x, because when you take the common denominator, root x will be the common denominator, numerator will be x cube plus 3x plus 4. So this term can be equivalently written in this way. So that is equal to x cube. You know that root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3x divided by x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 4 divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. So we have this rule of exponent, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So using this rule of exponent, I can write this x cube divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. So in the place of a you are having x. So in the first term, in the place of a it is x, in the place of m it is 3, and in the place of n it is 1 by 2. So therefore by using this rule of exponent, you can write x cube divided by x to the power of 1 by 2 as x to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2 plus, here in the second term 3 is constant, x divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. So again by this rule of exponent I can write it as x to the power of, the power of x in the numerator is 1, so it is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus, here this 4 is constant, if I take that x in the denominator to the numerator, so it is x to the power of minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to, so 3 minus 1 by 2. So if you take the common denominator, 2 will be the common denominator. So 1 2s are 2, so 3 2s are 6 minus 1. So that is nothing but 5 by 2. So it is x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2. So therefore integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x, on simplification that x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x can be written as x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now integrating this integral. So by the property of integration we know that summation of first function plus second function plus third function can be written as integration of the first function into dx plus integration of the second function is 3x to the power of 1 by 2 dx plus integration of third function, that is 4 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. So that is equal to, so this is integration x to the power of 5 by 2 dx plus, here 3 is constant, so a constant function, if there is a constant function, the constant is taken outside the integral and the function is written inside, that is x to the power of 1 by 2 dx plus, here again 4 is constant taken outside the integral and minus 1 by 2 dx. So that is equal to, so we know the standard formula of integration, that is integration of x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c for n not equal to minus 1. So therefore x to the power of 5 by 2 according to this rule. So what is in the first integral, n is equal to 5 by 2. So if you apply that rule, so you get x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 is constant. So therefore here integration of x to the power of 1 by 2 is, here in the second integral n is equal to 1 by 2. So it is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus third integral 4. So here x to the power of n is, in the third integral, n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So that is equal to, so if you simplify, so 5 by 2 plus 1, if you take the common denominator, 2 is the common denominator, so 5 2, that is 5 ones are 5 plus here 1 is a common denominator, so 1 into 2 is 2, so 2, therefore 7 by 2. So it is x to the power of 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 3. So again if you simplify, half plus 1, common denominator is 2, so 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1 plus 1 2s are 2, so it is 3 by 2. So it is x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 4 into minus half plus 1 is half, 1 by 2 plus the constant of integration c. So that is equal to, so if you simplify, so this can be written as x to the power of 7 by 2 into 2 by 7 plus 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 4 into x to the power of 1 by 2 into 2 by 1 plus the constant of integration c. So that is equal to, so on simplification it is 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2, here 3 cancels, so 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 to the 8 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. So this kind of simplification I have explained in the previous problem. Solve x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. So first we shall simplify this function so that we can apply the basic formula of integration and solve. So how to simplify? So I'll write this x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 and try to simplify so that I can get some terms so that I can apply the integration formula. So therefore here you can see in the numerator and denominator, here we are having the term here x minus 1, here also you are having the term x minus 1. So what I will do is, take these two terms and divide each term in the numerator and divide denominator. So I will write this as x cube minus x square divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. This is because if you take the common denominator, x minus 1 will be the common denominator, and numerator you will get it as x cube minus x square plus x minus 1, same as this term. So I will write this in this way, it's one and the same. So now, so that is equal to, so now in the first term there is x cube minus x square. What I will do is, I will take x as x square as common, x square as common in the numerator. So if I take x square as common in the numerator, what remains in the first term? If I take x square as a common term, so x remains, because x square into x is x cube. So minus, then here there is x square, I am taking x square as a common term. So what remains? 1 remains divided by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So here what happens? X minus 1 cancels. Here also x minus 1 cancels. So what remains. So in the first term, since x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancels, what remains? X square remains. Plus, since x minus 1 in the numerator and denominator cancels, what remains? 1 remains. So therefore, what does it mean? The simplification, on simplification, x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, on simplification, it is nothing but x square plus 1. So therefore, integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx is same as writing this on simplification is nothing but x square plus 1 dx. So now, how do you integrate? Applying the property of integration, summation of two functions into dx is nothing but integration of the first function x square dx plus integration of second function 1 into dx. 1 into dx is nothing but dx. So now applying the standard formula of integration. So what is the standard formula of integration? Integration of x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So using this standard formula, so I can write it as, simplify it as, that is equal to x square. So what is the n? Here n is equal to 2. On comparison, you get n is equal to 2. So therefore, it is x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus, we have the standard formula of integration, that is integration of dx is x plus the constant of integration c. So therefore, that is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is x cube divided by 3 plus x plus c. Integration of 1 minus x root of x dx. Okay, so now this, first we shall simplify this 1 minus x root of x, so that is equal to, so multiply that root of x inside the bracket, so it will become root x minus x root x, so that is equal to, so root of x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 minus, so x into x to the power of 1 by 2. So we know this rule, a to the power of m, rule of exponent, a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So here that is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 minus, so m is 1 and n is 1 by 2. So I can write it as 1 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 minus x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2 on simplification. So common denominator is 2. So 1 2s are 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore, so it is x to the power of 3 by 2. That means 1 minus x root of x, on simplification it is nothing but x to the power of 1 by 2 minus x to the power of 3 by 2. So therefore, integration of 1 minus x root of x is same as writing integ dx is equal to the same as writing integration of x to the power of 1 by 2 minus x to the power of 3 by 2 into dx. So that is equal to, on applying the property of integration, so what do we get? We get integration of the first function minus integration of the second function. So applying these properties and simplifying, I have explained in the previous videos. So that is equal to, so now apply the standard formula of integration. Standard formula is x to the power of n dx is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So applying this formula, we get standard formula, we get it is x to the power of n plus 1. What is n here? N is 1 by 2 in the first integral. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus So again x to the power of 3 by 2. So here in the second integral, n is 3 by 2, applying the standard formula of integration, x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So therefore you get in the second integral n is 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So on simplification, x to the power of half plus 1. So what we get? Half plus 1. When you take the common denominator as 2, so it is 2 ones are 2, so 1 ones are 1, plus again 1 will be the common denominator, so 1 2s are 2, so 1 into 2 is 2, so it is nothing but 3 by 2. So therefore that is equal to x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus, now simplify 3 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2 plus 1, so that is equal to common denominator will be 2. So 2 ones are 2, so 3 ones are 3, plus 1 2s are 2, so it is 2. So it is 5 by 2. So it is x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus the constant of integration c. So now that is equal to, so this can be written as x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by, so 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 2 by 5 plus the constant of integration c, or just it is 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus the constant of integration c. So we can write like this by the rule. So a by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b into d by c. So if the numerator doesn't have any denominator, if it's only a divided by c divided by d, I can assume the numerator as, so denominator as 1, a by 1 divided by c by c d. So it is a by 1 into d by c. In this way, so if the numerator doesn't have any denominator, for this to apply this rule, you can assume it as to be 1